Hey guys, it's Michaela, and today I'm going to show you how to message on TikTok when you're under 16 years old. It's pretty quick and simple, so let's jump in. TikTok doesn't allow you to message anymore, direct message anybody if you're under the age of 16. Your profile set to 16, that's your age. So the only way around it is to actually change the age of your profile. I'm going to walk you through those steps right now, and let's get started. I have TikTok open, and this is my account where I'm under 16. What I'm going to do is go to me at the bottom right, so you go to your main profile so that we can go to the top right corner, the three dots. You're going to click on that. And then we're going to scroll all the way down, and we're going to log out of this account. Log out. All right, so now it's TikTok is saying, do you want to sign up for a new account? And we do. We're going to go about this signing up for a new account. And don't worry, it's not going to delete your old account, and you're going to get right back onto your old account. But this is the way to change your birthday. So what we're going to do is sign up for a new account. We're going to use phone number or email. You can't use any of the other ones. You have to use phone number or email. And the first thing it asks you is for your birthday. Now, this is where we're going to change our birthday so that we're over the age of, 16. I'm going to go to 1993. So I'm right now 27. So I'm going to click next. And then you're going to put in the phone number or email that's associated with the account that you wanted to change the birthday of. So I'm going to put in the phone number that I already have set with my other Insta or my other TikTok. And now it's going to send a code to that. I'm going to go to my Google Voice. And now it's re-logged me into my TikTok that I already had. But now I am of the age over 16. So now when I'm messaging people, I can send a text message without, or a direct message without the message of you can't send a message, because now my account says that I'm over the age of 16. If you guys have any questions, let us know. If not, like and comment, and don't forget to subscribe.